Hello, gardening friends. Hope you're having an amazing day thus far. So, I just wanted to pop on and do a quick update on how the tomato plants are coming along. So, if you haven't seen the video that I just posted about my tomato plants that I moved out to my greenhouse, there were a few varieties that were experiencing some leaf curling, and it was because I believe they were a bit stressed just from being indoors for a little bit longer than they probably should have been. And so I just wanted to pop on here and show you what they're looking like now that they've been out in the greenhouse for a little while and have started to get exposed to sunlight, the wind, and all the other goodness that comes with being outdoors. So let me turn the camera around and show you how they're doing. All right, my friends, so this is the majority of the tomato plants that I transitioned out to the greenhouse. But I wanted to just show you that the two varieties in particular that had quite a bit of leaf curl, the Posano variety, which is mostly the plants that you see on this tray here in the back. So there's about 6 in total. This is the Posano variety. And as you can see, they are looking much better. So much better. Let's see if I can get in just a little bit closer. But look at that. Like, they are doing so much better. So you can see, like, this is an example of one leaf that was curled up, pretty badly. And as you can see, it has straightened out a bit. Straightened out quite a bit, actually. But look at that. Looks so much better. And pretty much all of the Posano plants are looking that way. They just look so much healthier now that they've been out here in the greenhouse. And then the Granadero variety is here in the front on this tray. So they're looking a lot better as well. So here's one. So where you see like that sort of light yellow on the leaf, that's where they were curled up pretty badly. But as you can see, like, the majority of them are fairly straight at this point. See that? So yeah, I am really, really, really happy. Really happy about that. This one still has a little bit of leaf curl on it, as you can see, but it is starting to bounce back. So yeah, they're looking so much better. Really, really happy about that. And then the varieties that you see here in the back, these ones didn't really have much stress in terms of leaf curl. They were actually looking pretty good. These are the home slice and the beef steak tomato plants, and they're still looking pretty good. Still looking very good. So, but I just wanted to show you guys that they are doing much, much better. So it was definitely a good move to get them out to the greenhouse when I did. There's one variety that you don't see here, but 3 plants in total that you're not seeing in frame because they are over this way, because they are much taller, and I just was not able to fit them in this space. That's my 2 sun gold tomato plants, and then I have also one Juliet paste tomato plant that's over on that side as well. So let me see if I can pan over there and show you. So those are the sun gold. So there's 2 sun gold and 1 Juliet. And they're sitting over there in the corner because they're too tall to fit over here. So they're just hanging out over there, enjoying the breeze. So yeah, just wanted to pop on here and show you guys that. And then I guess while I also have you here, should also let you know that a lot of the gladiolas and the dahlias that I potted up on one of my most recent videos, a lot of those have started sprouting as well. So here, and I'm just currently bottom watering a lot of them because they have quite a bit of leafy green growth on them at this point, and that's usually when I start bottom watering. But these are all the gladiolas here, and as you can see, the majority of them have sprouted. They have leafy green growth on them and all that good stuff. So those are looking really good. And then also a lot of the dahlias have also started sprouting as well. So here's one. This is Lavender Perfection. Quite a bit of leafy green growth on that one. Have some green showing through on this one. This is the Kelvin Floodlight variety. And then over here, another Kelvin Floodlight with some leafy green growth. This one is the Water Lily Creme de Cassis. And then here's the Thomas Edison. So that one has one nice tall green sprout. And then I have a few more dahlias over here, but they have not yet sprouted. So Thomas Edison there, Pink Allegro, a Lavender Perfection, and another Pink Allegro. So those are moving at a slower rate than the others, but hopefully we'll start to see something very soon. But yeah, I am definitely going to be planting a lot of these out in my container pots very soon in terms of the gladiolas. It's probably not going to be very long before I get these planted. And I don't know, these dahlias probably have another week or so before I get those planted out in my cut flower garden bed. So yeah, not a whole lot left here in the greenhouse, but just wanted to pop on and really more, just specifically share an update on how the tomato plants are coming along. And I am hoping to be able to get those planted out in a couple days. Just working on getting the trellis in place, the new trellis system that I previously discussed with you guys. So hope to be sharing that with you very soon. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share. Not gonna hold you for too long. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you back here soon. Until next time, my friends, take care.